Hello, welcome back. Today we're going to be continuing the dining chair with this front rail, this back rail, and this back splat rail. Let's get cutting. So, these parts are the quickest and easiest parts that we have to make in the entire project. That's why I'm doing all three right now. Now, moving on to the back rail, we have the only part here that actually requires the horizontal table. And that is because of the mortises in the tenons. Now, these will end up lining up with the stepped tenon that we did on the side rails last time. And now we move on to the vertical vise. Zeroing our parts is fairly simple. All we do is take a flat board, slide it off of the edge, and then slide our part up to meet it. And then we zero off the table. Once we've done that, and made sure to set our X and Y zero to the corner of the aluminum plate of the actual vertical workstation, we can clamp our parts and hit go. These are really simple, take about 5 seconds, and I had all three parts done in about 20 minutes. The only special part that we have to worry about is the backsplat mortise on the smallest part here. This part is actually too thin to zero off the table surface. So what we'll need to do is zero off the vertical station itself. Now, normally I wouldn't do this, but this time, because the toolpaths stay all within the part itself, I don't have to worry about the end mill crashing into the plate. And so, with that, we end up with these three parts right here. Really simple, really quick, easy stuff. The next thing that we're going to be doing are these side rails right here. So, I'll see you next time.